Hello friends, I am Rajinder Jatana on this side, coming up with magic short trick number 5. Y is equal to fx raised to power xx, fx raised to power fx and so on up to infinity. This is the function. And the derivative dy by dx is equal to y square f dash x over fx within the bracket 1 minus y log fx. Now, I have 4 examples here. We will try to understand this trick with the help of examples. Now look here, y is equal to x raised to power x raised to power x and so on up to infinity. It means fx is x here. So fx is equal to x here. Now dy by dx, it is y square, f dash x, derivative of x, that is 1. In the denominator, it is fx is x, 1 minus y log of fx, log of x. That's all. So the answer is y square into 1 over x minus x within the bracket 1 minus x log x. Let us go to example number 2. If y is equal to sin x raised to power sin x raised to power sin x up to infinity, here fx is sin x. Now let us substitute in the formula. This is a short trick. Dy by dx will be equal to y square derivative of fx. Fx is sin x here over fx. Fx is sin x. 1 minus y log fx. 1 minus y log fx. Fx is sin x here. Look here. The answer comes y square. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Divided by sin x within the bracket y 1 minus y log sin x. Very simple. Example number 3. Y is equal to e raised to power x, raised to power e raised to power x, raised to power e raised to x, so on up to infinity. Here fx is e raised to power x. Fx is e raised to power x. Now, let us go to the trick. This is the trick. Answer dy by dx will be equal to y square ddx of e raised to power x over fx is e raised to power x, 1 minus y log fx. Fx is e raised to power x. So the answer will come y square ddx of e raised to power x is e raised to power x. Then in the denominator it is e raised to power x within the bracket 1 minus y log e raised to power x. E raised to power x will cancel e raised to power x. Rest will be the answer. Now let us go to the fourth one. Y is equal to cos x raised to power cos x raised to power cos x up to infinity. Here fx is cos x. So dy by dx is y square f dash x ddx of cos x over fx cos x 1 minus y log x log fx. So it is 1 minus y log fx is cos x. So on substituting we get derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So in the denominator it is cos x 1 minus y log cos x. That's all. Look here, these 4 questions have been done only in 4 minutes. So there's only 1 minute required to tackle these types of questions. What we have to do, we have to remember the formula. And the trick is whenever the function is in the shape of raised to power up to infinity, then this is fx, and we have to put the value of fx in the formula and we'll get the answer. And the formula is y square f dash x over fx. 1 minus y log of fx. That's all. Thank you very much. Keep on watching my videos. I'm very sure you will like it, and definitely you will come out with flying colors if you remember this trick properly. Thank you. Good night. Share it among your friends and subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you very much.